Hi, my name is Sarah King. I'm a partner here at Clifford Law Offices. I concentrate my practice on catastrophic injury cases, including medical malpractice cases, and I've been here for over 15 years. One of the medical malpractice areas that we specifically focus on here at Clifford Law Offices are cases that are birth injury cases. So they involve injury to a baby at or around the time that they're born. Bottom line, babies should not be born injured. We're at a place with medical care in the United States where babies should not be born deprived of oxygen. Babies should not be born with hypoxic ischemic encephalopathy, and babies should not have required cerebral palsy if everything is done according to the standard of care. At Clifford Law Offices, we focus our practice on righting the heaviest wrongs. These are catastrophic cases that changed your life, and we seek justice on your behalf because of that. I was privileged enough to represent a young child who was injured at the time of birth. This mom and baby were ignored when they showed up to the hospital, delayed in their birth, and their lives were forever changed by what happened. Because of that, the amount of expenses it takes to adequately care for this child was astronomical, given the price of medical care. And without pursuing this case, obtaining justice from the jury, there would have been no way this single mother could have helped her child for the rest of his life. The ultimate result of that case was the highest verdict in the state of Illinois for a birth injury case. And today they live a full and happy life. This child gets to do aquatherapy every week. He's made incredible advances that other children with cerebral palsy have not, and that is all due to the fact that he's getting the care he needs from that verdict. So I think about him every day. I still talk to his mom all the time, and it was just an incredibly rewarding experience to see justice on their behalf.